with regards to the class, first I was very apprehensive that how come a 1 year syllabus will be completed in 3 months and completing one subject like geography and economy in 10 days. But the coverage has been very comprehensive, and the best part about this is it's prelims exclusive, so we don't have to go into too much details, but we are covering whatever is a must and whatever is required for prelims, that we are covering. And the faculty has been very helpful, even if they are going at a rapid pace. But if we have any doubts, we meet them after the class. Mentors are available, we go talk to them. So that is very beneficial for us. The second thing is the tests. Each day we are getting around 50 questions, and 50 questions in 10 days for each subject makes 500 questions. So that very comprehensively covers any topic or any subject for that matter, that 500 questions. And I don't think that a question will can come outside this domain, but it can. It's UPSC, but most of the topics which are relevant and which are important for our prelims exam are covered in the tests. So I'm very thankful for IS Baba to have that they came up with this program, and it has definitely helped me in my preparation.
The techniques, the way, it was very amazing to learn. Like these techniques are not just useful on a UPSC exam, but any exam that you will use. Like what to read, what not to read, how to read, and in this pressurized situation, that those tools are like when you have so much of burden, your brains like round and round. You can use round system there. That's great. Like how to efficiently use your knowledge, understanding, content, logical, then tricks, then whole the way like the probability, or like you have four option, but you want to use like okay, I don't know answer, but by using your tricks and probability and using your knowledge and understanding, you may rise to like 50%, 75%. So on the behalf of all the students, I would like to thank you so much, sir, for teaching this. Thank you so much.
The questions we are getting 50 questions on each topic which we study in the class, that is the best thing one can do, because you are studying the same concept, you are practicing it through question, and after that you can consult your mentors and teachers as well. That is the best part. If you are not comfortable with any concept, no, you can directly move to the teacher and ask him to explain it once again. I don't think that much you can get anywhere. The IS Baba initiative that they have started, it's actually very good, and I really thank IS Baba for starting this type of initiative. Thank you.
If I have to talk about the benefits of this program, you don't have to. Earlier, what we used to do is that we have to search every topic from, say, from YouTube or any other different resource. But after this program, what I found useful is that आपको कहीं और जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Every topic and anything related to that topic, any dimension, they discuss in the class, so that आपको अपने से कहीं search करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You get everything here, and you get a very crisp, handout related to that topic, so that you can revise that topic anytime. It is very handy to revise with that topic, rather than आपको किसी बुक से या किसी वीडियो से उस चीज़ को सर्च करना. तो ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी थी, और टॉपिक इतने अच्छे से और डिटेल में बताया जाता है कि आप अपना खुद का उसमें जनरल आइडिया, आप यू कैन डेवलप योर ओन आइडिया रिलेटेड टू दैट टॉपिक. सो उससे फ़ायदा ये है कि कोई भी क्वेश्चन और इवन द स्टेटमेंट इन द ऑप्शन विच आर देयर इन यूपीएससी, दैट विल नॉट सरप्राइज यू. अगर आप अपना खुद का आइडिया बिल्ड कर लेते हो आफ्टर द लेक्चर, सो आपको वो फियर नहीं रहा है कि ये टर्म कैसे आया, ये स्टेटमेंट क्या बोल रहा है. आप अपना खुद का एक जनरल स्टेटमेंट, एक जनरल आइडिया आपका तैयार हो जाता है. सो दैट इज़ द बेस्ट थिंग. एंड आपको हर लेक्चर के बाद देयर इज़ अ टेस्ट फॉलोड. सो 50 क्वेश्चन होते हैं उस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड, और आई थिंक इट इज़ मोर देन सफिशिएंट. अगर आपके हर टॉपिक से 50 क्वेश्चंस रेडी हो जाते हैं और आपके पास हैंड आउट भी है, तो आई थिंक दैट इज़ मोर देन सफिशिएंट फॉर एनी टॉपिक. एंड रेस्ट इज आपको रिविजन करना है. दैट हैंड आउट इज़ वेरी क्रिस्पी. थैंक यू.
First of all, I thank you, IS Baba, for these great sessions of strategy classes. I have given last year's prelim examinations, and I come to know that how to maximize the score from this session. There, sir have told that there is a two methods to that, which question to select and which question to reject. If you don't know these two questions, you cannot attempt the prelims. So first you have to know that I have to attempt this question, and I got to know about this with the help of this session. So thank you very much, sir, for giving us the great knowledge. Second thing I come to know about this session, like few tricks are there. After going through first round, second round, and third round, we have to use the techniques. And there are perceptions in market that we have to use the techniques from the first round itself, but it is not like that. First, you have to use your knowledge. Then in the second round, you have to go through your some basic techniques of 50-50. And in third round, you have to use that techniques. So don't believe in rumors of those who are spreading that in first round itself you have to use that techniques. You may lose marks, and as sir said, like you can lose 50,000 students and 1 year. So keep in that mind. You have to use first round, second round, third round. Once again, I thank you, sir, and please do follow this strategy. I am using this strategy since last two tests, and really, sir, I am getting benefit from it. So thank you very much, sir.
It is said that discipline is about choosing what you want now and what you want the most. And if you belong to the later category, that cracking prelims is what you want the most, then PEP is the program. PEP is that one-stop destination for you. This program gives you that discipline in terms of regularity of the classes, tests or handouts, gives you the right direction in terms of mentorship, and equips you with necessary skills to accomplish your goals. All that we require from your side is 100% dedication and commitment. And we do promise that we'll give that 100% commitment from our side. This program is available both online and offline, and not only the program is comprehensive and exclusive, but also it is made affordable. The prices are kept at a nominal rate so that the reach is more, and it will help thousands of students here. And also the program is available on Alcata basis. To know more about the program, you can check our website www.iasbaba.com. And thank you and all the best. See you in the class.